Who's really walking through your home? When it comes to home buyers, not all of them are created equal. Some are serious and ready to move. Others are serious, but just not in a rush. Then, there are the bargain hunters. And of course, the casual lookers just browsing around. The truth is, not all buyers are good buyers. Or even buyers at all. So, how do you sell your home without wasting time? Introducing the Easy Exit Home Selling System. A client-first solution that puts you in control. Total flexibility, cancel your listing anytime. No pressure, no penalties. No pushy sales tactics, we earn your trust through results, not contracts. Clear, honest communication, you'll always know what's happening, and why. A proven process with over 15 years of local experience and results that speak for themselves. Whether you're downsizing, relocating, or just testing the waters, we make it easy to move forward, confidently. Selling your home is a big decision. The last thing you need is to feel trapped in a long-term agreement if things don't go as planned. Our listing clients receive white glove service, without a long-term commitment. We take your trust seriously. Let's make your next move simple, smart, and stress-free. Schedule your strategy call today, and let's get started.